Okay, again, we're going to simplify the terms. So we have 1, remember multiplying is just one term. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So we have 4 terms that we're starting off with. We're going to try to reduce those down into the least amount of terms that we can. So what I like to do when I start these is always start with the multiplying if there's multiplying of terms. So remember, parentheses represents multiplication. So I'm going to go ahead and start here. And we're going to multiply those together. So I always like to multiply the numbers first. So we're going to do 2 times 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. And then we have 2w, so that would be times w times w. Remember, 2w's represents an exponent, so that would be w squared, because remember, w squared equals w times w, okay? So now we have 6w squared, so that has been multiplied, okay? Then I like to bring the rest down so I can look to see what I have next. So now I've just multiplied, but I haven't simplified the terms yet. I need to keep working to get this down to less terms. So to do that, I'm going to find the like terms. So as you can see, there's a w squared and a w squared. These are like terms because they're the same letter, the same variable. So we can put those together. So we're going to add 6w and 6w, and that gives you 12w. Don't forget your square. We don't ever add the exponents. We don't do anything with them. We just bring them down. So that's 12w squared, and now those are gone. The next like terms are the 4 and the 2 because they're just numbers. And as you can see, there's a subtraction sign, so don't forget to carry that with that 2. So we're going to do 4 minus 2, which is 2. So we add the 2 at the end, okay? Now these are gone. So now I've reduced that down to 2 terms, or simplified. This is my final answer because these are now what we call unlike terms. And unlike terms cannot be combined together because this has a w squared and this does not, so they don't go together. So that's your final answer.